This is going to be a very quick look at the Hamilton Beach Personal Creations blender with travel lid. It's like a personal mixer inside of a travel cup with a lid. And this basically turns to the right to pop off. And the lid has a little slider. So open and shuts. This pops off and you see the blender gear, the metal down there. And the gear at the bottom is inset, so if you put it down, it's not touching the ground. It snaps right back on. And now you line up the unlocking notch here with the painted notch on the blender, and you feel it like sit in there, turn it to the left, and make sure it snaps. So we're going to give it a try. Okay, I put a South Beach shake pack in there, and I have milk and some ice cubes and some cocoa. I'm just going to snap this on. We plug it in, and you're supposed to hold the lid on. Not that it will go flying off, but the instructions say to hold the lid on. So you hold it down steady. You hear the ice cubes grinding. And you can pulse it. So if you're using ice cubes or something thick, it's a really good idea to pulse it. And if you need to get anything out of the gears or anything, use a rubber spatula. So you mix it till you don't hear any more grinding noise, or you can tell it's when it gets real smooth, it's done. Now it says the gauge goes up to about 14 ounces, the measuring indicator, but there's plenty of room here if you want to put a little more in there. And I think that's good to go. Turn to the right to pop it off. And there is my shake. So it seems like a great gadget to make your smoothies or shakes. And to wash it, you just basically just wash it up, or use maybe a brush if you have to clean it. Thank you.